Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Imani and today I'm going to show you guys how I install my spring twists. Okay, so what you're going to need is a crochet. You're going to need a comb, and the particular hair I've used in this video, I got mine from an Instagram page called 25fro. I got 2 packets of hair. This is how one packet looks like. Let me just show you. This is how one packet looks like. I'm just going to remove the hair so you can see up close. I got mine in the color T stroke 30. Yeah, it was T stroke 30. So this is the color of the hair that I bought. And I bought 2 packets, and one packet costs 850 shillings. So I'll put a link on the description box below to their page in case you're interested in purchasing from them. Okay, so now guys, I'm going to show you how to install the hair. As you can see, I've done some few braids here, and I've done some also at the back. Now for you to install this hair in this way, what you need to do first is to section off your hair. As you can see, I've done it here. And you do a matuta, but not all the way till the end of the hair. Just do a matuta slightly above the root of your hair like this. And then the next step is to pull one strand of hair from the bundle. And then press down as you go down like this. And then the next thing to do is to separate this hair into 2. Like this. So this will be for one braid and this will be for another braid. I'm going to put one aside for now, and you're going to use this one to braid onto our hair. So take your crochet, through the latch, and then pull it through your hair. Like this. And then what you want to do next is to do a matuta with the 2 strands of hair and your real hair. So you do a matuta like this. Now you're going to do the matuta up until the point where you're done the matuta on your real hair. So for me, this is where I ended my other matuta on my real hair. The one you want to do here is to separate this your real hair into 2. So just separate it into 2 like this. And then keep on twisting the hair.
That's good.
You're going to twist until you reach the bottom of the braid. So just keep on twisting. When you leave it, the hair will spring right back up. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe. See you guys on my next video. Bye.